As it relates to cost of living, as inflation pressures increases globally, the ministry is much aware of the concerns of the public regarding the rising of cost of living. One of our main objectives remains to have the census completed this year, 2022, which will provide essential data on income and labor details to assist with the cost of living research. Our economics department has outlined and drafted a new expanded list of items which aims to control a wider variety of household necessities in the future. To effectively address the issues of cost of living, research and actionable intelligence are first and foremost necessary to the ministry. The ministry will also be engaging in open discussions, which has already started, with major distributors on the island on this topic, so as to devise a sustainable approach to keeping essential goods within the affordable pricing for our consumers.